Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Michelle Hidalgo Ido. I'm 32 years old. I'm single. My education is attended to senior high graduate. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am the number 4 of the family.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
My working experience in the Philippines in 2016 and 2018. My job duties is to take care children, 6 years old girl, and teach them English, assist their homework, and doing household work, cleaning, marketing, and cooking.
Okay, what if baby cries or children's naughty not listen to you?
If that children is naughty, I will encourage them to play a song for them. If the baby cries, I will check the baby if it's hungry, sick, or dirty diaper. If the baby gets sick, I will inform my employer first.
Okay, are you willing to cut your hair if your employer asks you to cut your hair?
Yes.
Do you have tattoo?
No.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No.
Do you have an allergy to certain
No.
food? Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work done and wake up 5 a.m.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during
Yes.
working hours?
Yes.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
All right. And why do you want to work abroad?
I would like to come to Hong Kong because I want to earn money to my future and support my parents and sister needs.
How about if you feel homesick?
I will focus my work and my employer needs and telling myself that my family needs money.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
My message to my future employer, Sir Ma, please hire me as your own maid. Please assure that your family and home will be safe. I will do my best to give the best service, ma'am and sir. I am responsible person doing household chores. I work with less person with supervision under pressure, willing to learn and follow the instruction and education. Thank you.